What is the name of the song?
The name of the song is 800 Pound Jesus. Imagine, okay, well, think about an ostrich egg.
But it has feathers and it's fluffy.
I know, but do you think the Lord was like, ooh, I'm gonna make all these different eggs and
Look,
see what
y'all.
pops out of them?
I'm just saying. I was just playing devil's advocate. I don't really care which side.
Devil's ag.
What is it? Advocate.
Like egg.
Advocate. And then you turn right. Woo! Hold on, we might not make it. And then Jesus didn't need the chicken to sit on the egg because he could be the chicken that cultivated the egg and incubated it to birth.
We just arrived and the work begins.
Come on.
I really, really, really want to go to the mall.
My name is Tom.
Transition. Transition 2. Morning everyone, it is Saturday currently. Last night we went and edited this really exciting video. It's the next morning. I'm heading down to the beach right now just to do like a little walk and then we're going to come back up and eat breakfast. So that's where I'm at right now, but the lady yelled at me.
This was not staged at all.
Wow.
Sing. I want to take a picture.
The president. Anyone change it for me?
Good.
Okay.
That's so pretty. What's your art account? Tag yourself Mellifluous Plant?
Mellifluous plant.
Yeah.
If you can spell it.
We stand a journaling legend.
It's looking so fit right now, like out here, we out here. Pokemons! We're gonna get a Groudon, hopefully, but it's level 5, we gonna die. What a view. So how you doing, Janice? Look at these, we are moms from 2004. That's what's up. Also, I'm pretty sure they think that I'm filming this. Set design. She can draw things. What about Boots off of Dora the Explorer?
Okay. Just boots or boots?
Don't
I looked at yours.
Dang it.
Oh wait, I forgot.
You're not allowed to put it. No, stop!
We bear bears. Yours is so ugly.
Okay, oh yes, now y'all can see us draw. What are you doing?
Freaking thief. Cinderella.
I don't like that. There's not even. Let's do one more. Here, we're just gonna split this paper in half.
Look at the beach. Because Neil's being really slow. Who is mine?
I can't see it from there.
Oh.
Elmo?
Yeah! Why is there like a lizard?
Watching this video, I hope that it was semi-enjoyable.
Transition.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Angel coming at you. Can't touch me.
I left my key. It's dry. I like dipping those ones in.
Oh my god, oh my god!
Y'all, we just took amazing photos, and right now we're filming a video that is going to be a sneak peek for a conference. Navia and I are just living our bestest life. Just walking
Walking around the hotel.
walking some. Having fun, Cindy?
Feeling family.
I don't. We doing TSA Mexican food ×2, but we're going to take some pictures and I'll show you all what we did. We can't use it.
Oh.
She is a goddess.
I mean, for an Indian, this is very disappointing.
Y'all, guess what? It's another dot in the sky.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.